Dr. Obeid was highly recommended to me by a dear friend who works for one of the region's best surgeons. I have had an entire lifetime of dental issues relating back to my youth and eating issues and, poor nutrition and things like that. And so over the years, you start with a cavity or two, and then it becomes 4 or 5, and then those surfaces need to be replaced, and then you have crowns, and then you have root canals, and then you have more crowns and more root canals, and it just keeps on going. And when Dr. Obeid told me that the process could be over and done with in several months, and we would do most of the work in one day, I was amazed. I was just amazed. And it was so easy. The day of the surgery, I was in and out. I had no pain, no swelling, no black and blue, nothing. I was shocked. Would I recommend Dr. Obeid? I have already recommended Dr. Obeid, and I am less than 2 weeks totally done with all of these procedures. It's not only Dr. Obeid, but everybody that works here, the staff, and of course Zeno. It's just, it's a wonderful experience. It sort of takes the fear out of dealing with a process that could be very intimidating. For the first time in my life, I get to show off all of this new dentistry, which just looks very, very natural, and it feels great. Oh yeah, am I smiling a lot now? Yeah, I smile a lot. I talk even more than I used to talk, which is a lot. It's fun.